English conversation practice. Have you ever wondered about the big triangle buildings in Egypt?
Oh, you mean the pyramids?
Yes, those. They are so big and old. I'm curious about them.
Me too. I know they were built a long time ago. But how did people do it?
That's a big question. Many people think they were tombs for the pharaohs, the kings of Egypt.
That's right. But how did they build them, with such big stones?
Good question. People used big ramps made of mud bricks. They pushed and pulled the big stones up these ramps.
That sounds very hard. How many people did it take?
Many, many people. Maybe thousands. They worked together to move each stone.
That's amazing. And I heard there's a big room inside.
Yes, there are chambers inside. The pharaoh's body was put in one of these rooms.
So, it was like a big grave.
Yes, but not just for the body. They also put gold, food, and other things inside.
Why did they put other things inside?
They believed the pharaoh would need them in the afterlife.
Whoa, that's interesting. And are all pyramids the same?
No, some are big, and some are small. The biggest one is the Great Pyramid of Giza.
I have heard of that. It's one of the 7 wonders of the world.
That's right. People from all over the world come to see it.
How old is it?
It's over 4,000 years old.
That's very old. And it's still standing.
Yes, but not as tall as before. Time and weather have made it shorter.
It must be strong to last so long.
Very strong. People made it with great care and skill.
I wonder how they learned to build like that.
Some say they learned from the stars. Others think they had help from aliens.
Aliens really?
It's just a story. But the pyramids are still a mystery in many ways.
I wish I could see them one day.
Me too. They are a big part of history.
Yes, and they show how clever and strong ancient people were.
Definitely. Even with simple tools, they did great things.
It's amazing what people can do when they work together.
Yes, the pyramids are a good example of that.
I hope they stay standing for a long time.
Me too, so more people can see and learn from them.
And remember the amazing people who built them.
That's right. It's a link to the past that we can still see today.
I'm glad we talked about this. I have learned a lot.
Me too, it's good to learn about the world's wonders.